Do you struggle with organizing your thoughts when you're writing or giving a speech? With the tool I will share, you can do this quickly and easily. Hi, my name is Miriam Kennedy, the founder of YesICanLearnEnglish.com, where I give you the help you need to supercharge your learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell to make sure you get my next tip. Welcome! I would like to share with you an awesome organizer called What, Why, How. As an educator over 25 years, I can tell you this has been the most effective tool I have taught my students. Let's get started. Meet What, Why, How. Let's organize our ideas. This is what the organizer looks like. We make 3 columns on a piece of paper and label them What, Why, How. In the first column labeled What, I write the main idea in a complete sentence. The main idea is what I want to write about in a paragraph. In the second column under Why, we write details to support the main idea. We can write as many details as we would like. I recommend at least 3. In the third column labeled How, we write more sentences to further explain the reasons that are listed in the second column under Why. These can be explanations and examples. I would like to write a paragraph about hiking and how much I like it, so in the What column, I will write I love hiking. That is my main idea for this paragraph. Under Why, I want to explain the reasons why I like hiking so much. My first reason is it is relaxing. Under How, I will write some explanations or examples. These don't have to be complete sentences. I will do that as I write my first draft. So, hiking can be a way of escape, no distractions, just nature, quality time with loved ones. When I'm happy with the first part, I will go ahead and draw a line to make another row, and I will write my second reason. It is fun. Under How, I'm going to give some examples. We see flowers in bloom, wild animals, taking pictures. I think that's about it. I will draw another line and write my third reason in the Why column. It is healthy. In the How column, I'm going to list it's a great exercise, fresh air, and the sunshine. After I'm done with my organizer, I can start writing my first draft. I will start by typing my main idea, which is under What. Then continue writing my first reason followed by the first row under How. Then I will continue with my second reason followed by examples and explanations under How. Lastly, I will write the last row starting with my reason followed by more explanations. This is the order in which you can turn your organizer into your first draft. How do you organize your thoughts before writing? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, I have put a link below where you can contact me at any time for help. This is the first draft of the paragraph, which is just copying down the information in the organizer. I love hiking. It relaxes me. It is a way of escape. I don't have to worry about anything but enjoying nature. I spend time with my family or friends. Hiking is fun. We see wildflowers in bloom and wild animals. We take pictures. It is healthy. We get exercise and fresh air. We enjoy the sunshine. As I write my final draft, I will be writing the phrases in How column in complete sentences, or I will connect them to make longer sentences. And here's my final draft. One of my favorite things to do is hiking. I love it. First, it relaxes me. After a week of working, it is a way of escape. I don't have to worry about anything but enjoying nature. I spend time with my family or friends. Secondly, hiking is fun. I love seeing wildflowers in bloom. We sometimes see geckos or field rats. We make memories by taking pictures. Finally, it is healthy. It is great exercise. we go out to get some fresh air, and we enjoy the sunshine. No wonder I love to go hiking whenever I can. I first learned about this organizer in the early 2000s from my colleague Steve Piha, who is the founder of Teaching That Makes Sense. So next time you need to give a speech, write a business email, or an essay, you can use this handy tool to quickly organize your ideas. What, Why, How is the first step in achieving this goal. Start from simple topics and then move on to more complex subjects. You will see the difference in your ability to produce great writing. Let me know how it works for you after you have tried it. If you're interested, I can help you as a coach and mentor so you can reach your goal of raising your English skills to a new level. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Follow me on social media. If you're really interested in improving your English, don't forget to get your free guide, Tips and Tools to Learn English Faster, where I give you all the things you need to help you reach your goals. I put the link below. Make sure to click on the link to get your free guide. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!